Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix not showing missed call on the iPhone lock screen. Have you not only been missing calls on your iPhone but also not seeing missed call notifications? If you're unable to answer a call, you still want to know where to receive it. Especially if the person doesn't leave you a voicemail. The fix to the missed call notification not showing your iPhone could be as a simple as toggle. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Open the setting on your iPhone. Select notifications. Scroll to and tap on the phone app. Turn on the toggle for allow notifications. If you like the video, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.